Have you ever wondered how Chipotle keeps its food fresh and authentic? Today, we're uncovering the surprising truth behind their kitchens without microwaves or can openers. At Chipotle, the majority of food is prepared in each restaurant. This includes cooking rice, beans, and meats on-site daily to ensure freshness. Two notable exceptions are the beans and carnitas, which are prepared at a central kitchen in Chicago. These items are shipped pre-cooked to maintain quality. Chipotle's commitment to no freezers, microwaves, or can openers ensures that ingredients remain in their original state and are cooked fresh daily. This approach aligns with Chipotle's values of using no artificial colors, flavors, or preservatives. Over 85% of their menu items are made from scratch. Items shipped from the distribution center come in plastic bags that are opened at each restaurant, ensuring no artificial enhancements or preservatives. Chipotle's dedication to preparing food without microwaves or can openers not only ensures freshness, but also supports their mission of serving real, wholesome meals. So there you have it. Chipotle's approach to food preparation is a testament to their commitment to quality and freshness. What surprised you most about how they keep their food authentic? Let me know in the comments.